Ever thought artificial intelligence might just be your golden ticket to financial freedom? Well, hold on to that thought, because it just might be. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that sounds straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's as real as the device you're watching this on. We'll uncover 10 fascinating ways you can make a cool 10K every month, all with the power of ChatGPT. Stick around, because you're about to discover how the blend of technology and creativity can open doors you never even knew existed. If you've ever wanted a little futuristic edge to your income streams, this is the revelation you've been waiting for. Number 1. Content creation for blogs and websites. The digital age has ushered in a renewed demand for high-quality content. ChatGPT can be leveraged by content creators to produce insightful articles, blog posts, or web content. Imagine this. Instead of spending hours researching and drafting a single piece, one can utilize ChatGPT to brainstorm, outline, and even flesh out in-depth articles on a myriad of topics. The artificial intelligence's ability to provide accurate and relevant information streamlines the content production process, allowing creators to increase their output. Now think about monetization. With the enhanced capability to produce numerous quality articles daily, creators can take advantage of platforms like Medium's partner program, seek out freelance writing gigs, or even start their own subscription-based content service. Such endeavors can easily see you making 10K or more per month, especially when delivering content to high-paying clients or platforms that reward quality and consistency. Number 2. Offer chatbot development and integration services. In the modern business landscape, companies across sectors are searching for ways to optimize customer interaction and provide instant responses. This is where chatbots come in. ChatGPT can be the underlying technology behind these chatbots, offering real-time solutions and improving user experience. By becoming proficient in integrating ChatGPT into websites and applications, you're stepping into a market ripe with potential. But the journey doesn't end at integration. Continuous monitoring, updates, and refining chatbot responses can be an ongoing service. By establishing retainer contracts with businesses, you ensure a consistent monthly revenue stream. As you expand your portfolio and cater to larger businesses or multiple small ones, hitting that 10K monthly target becomes not just feasible, but expected. Number 3. Online ChatGPT workshops and courses. Given the rising prominence of AI and machine learning tools like ChatGPT in multiple domains, there exists an eager audience willing to learn how to harness their power. By curating workshops, tutorials, or online courses, you're tapping into an educational market that's constantly expanding. The key here is to cater to different proficiency levels, from absolute beginners to those looking for advanced tricks and tips. For starters, focus on foundational courses. Introduce people to what ChatGPT is, its potential, and basic operations. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or even your own personal website can be the launchpad for these courses. Remember to incorporate feedback, continually update the content, and perhaps even provide certification. With each course priced reasonably and the potential to reach thousands of students globally, you're looking at a lucrative venture. Add to this the possibility of hosting live workshops or webinars for a premium fee, and you're well on your way to making 10K monthly. Number 4. Automate social media content creation and management. Today, almost every business, influencer, or public figure realizes the power of a strong social media presence. But consistent content creation and management can be time-consuming. Here's where ChatGPT shines. It can be programmed to automate content drafts, post ideas, and even responses to followers, making social media management a breeze. Additionally, the tool can be used to automate responses. For businesses, especially those in e-commerce, timely responses can make the difference between a sale and a lost customer. By setting up ChatGPT to handle common queries or even direct users to relevant sections of a website, you're ensuring optimal user engagement. This value addition will not only make your services more appealing to potential clients, but also allow you to command a higher fee. Number 5. Personalized content generation for email marketing. Email marketing remains one of the most effective ways for businesses to reach out to their audience. But crafting personalized, engaging content for emails can be a challenging task. ChatGPT can be utilized to generate tailored content for various email campaigns, segmenting audiences based on preferences, purchase history, or interactions. The power of personalization cannot be overstated. Emails that speak directly to a user's interests or recent actions have a significantly higher engagement rate. With ChatGPT, you can automate the process of creating such tailored content. For those offering email marketing services, ChatGPT becomes an invaluable asset. It not only reduces the time spent on content creation, but also enhances the quality and personalization level of the emails. Businesses will appreciate the increased engagement rates and ROI, making them more likely to retain your services. With a roster of clients, monthly subscription-based models, and a premium charges for high-level personalization, reaching the 10K mark is within arm's reach. Number 6. Digital art and design assistance. Creativity often requires inspiration, and sometimes that's hard to come by. ChatGPT can be a boon for digital artists and designers by providing design suggestions, color palettes, or even conceptual ideas based on briefs. By querying ChatGPT with specific requirements or themes, artists can get a starting point or even multiple avenues to explore. While it's true that AI cannot replace human creativity, it can certainly augment it. For artists facing a creative block or those looking to offer multiple design iterations to clients, ChatGPT's inputs can be immensely helpful. Monetizing this comes in two ways. First, artists and designers can enhance their productivity, allowing them to take on more projects or offer multiple design iterations, increasing client satisfaction. Second, for those well-versed with ChatGPT's operations, they can offer design brainstorming sessions where clients provide briefs and ChatGPT, along with the designer's expertise, provides a plethora of design directions. Such unique services can command a premium, driving up monthly earnings. Number 7. Freelance research and data compilation. Research is a vital component across sectors, be it for academic purposes, content creation, or market analysis. ChatGPT's vast knowledge base makes it an excellent tool for compiling data, facts, or insights on various topics. Freelancers can harness its capabilities to offer in-depth research services for clients, reducing the time spent scouring through countless sources. Such efficient research capabilities can be monetized in multiple ways. Freelancers can take on more research-intensive projects, catering to students, content creators, or businesses. Furthermore, by offering a quick turnaround time and ensuring accurate, comprehensive data compilation, one can justify charging a premium for their services. As word spreads and your clientele grows, hitting the 10K monthly target becomes a tangible goal. Number 8. Product description and review generation for e-commerce. E-commerce platforms are always on the lookout for compelling product descriptions and reviews to enhance user engagement. ChatGPT can assist in generating these, ensuring consistency, clarity, and persuasion. By feeding the tool with product specifications, features, and USPs, one can obtain detailed, engaging product descriptions ready for e-commerce listings. For freelancers or agencies offering e-commerce solutions, this becomes a valuable value-add service. By promising engaging, consistent, and high-quality product descriptions at scale, one can cater to both budding e-commerce startups and established platforms. Moreover, as reviews play a critical role in purchase decisions, offering synthesized review summaries or highlight compilations using ChatGPT can be another revenue stream. Given the sheer volume of e-commerce listings and the continual need for updates, this avenue is rife with earning potential. Number 9. Book summaries and review platforms. In the age of information overload, readers often seek concise summaries or reviews before diving into a book. ChatGPT can be employed to generate detailed book summaries, insights, and reviews based on provided content or existing summaries. By launching a platform or service that offers these, one taps into the market of avid readers, students, and professionals looking for quick insights. Consider platforms like Blinkist, which offer condensed versions of popular books. With ChatGPT, creating such summaries becomes more streamlined. The tool can be fed the book's content, and through a series of queries, one can extract key insights, chapter summaries, and even thematic analyses. This not only caters to readers, but also to educators or professionals seeking quick references. Monetizing this can be done through a subscription model, where users pay for access to a vast library of book summaries and reviews. Additionally, partnering with authors or publishers for promotional summaries or exclusive content can add another revenue layer. With a number of books published annually and the ever-growing appetite for knowledge in digestible formats, this venture has the potential to not only hit but exceed the 10K monthly mark. Number 10. customized solutions for unique business needs. Every business is unique, with its own set of challenges and requirements. ChatGPT's adaptability makes it a tool that can be customized for various specific business needs. By offering consultation and customization services, one can develop bespoke solutions, whether it's for internal communication, customer interaction, data analysis, or any other domain. The approach here is consultative. By understanding a business's pain points and needs, one can design ChatGPT-based solutions tailored to address those. Monetizing such customization comes from the value addition. By offering solutions that directly impact a business's efficiency or customer satisfaction, you're providing tangible ROI. This not only allows for charging a premium, but also opens doors for long-term contracts, where continuous refinement and updates becomes a part of the service package. As you cater to more businesses, and word spreads about the tangible benefits of your custom solutions, the path to $10K a month becomes clear and achievable. And there we have it, tech-savvy trailblazers. A peek into a future where your financial dreams are powered by some impressive AI. Thanks for joining this digital adventure with us. Remember, the future isn't written, it's coded. So gear up, stay curious, and let's make the virtual realm our playground. Until next time, keep innovating.